Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add double line border in publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to add double line border. In this document in table, go to the insert menu, then click the table option and select a cell and columns to insert table. Then increase the table size some big. Then select whole cell, click and drag on our mouse and go to the table design menu. Then click the table white, then select the white 4pt. Then click borders option and choose all borders. Then click outside on this page and we can see we added double line border to this publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.